all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's video, we are going to see some lovely collection of mull cotton salwar materials, pure Jaipur cotton, soft materials we are going to see. To purchase these salwars, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 51299. I repeat, it's 93848 51299. And without fail, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. Come on, let's start seeing the salwars now. Very beautiful soft cotton, dark grey color cotton salwar material. It's all mull cotton with a nice embroidery in the center pattern and gotapati work in the center, and the bottom is in contrast pink, and a very pretty embroidered dupatta. For this salwar you have embroidery in the dupatta with edging in the corners, and the price of this salwar is 850. Very beautiful mull cotton salwar material with a nice neckline. In the neckline we have beautiful embroidery, very classy pattern, looks very neat and beautiful, and the bottom is in contrast of dark brown shade with a nice dupatta, contrast dupatta, very classy print, looks really classy, and the price of this salwar is 840. Very beautiful soft cotton salwar material with a dark green and bandhani pattern design with the center beautiful embroidery work, beautiful pattern, and the bottom is a striped design. This is the bottom of the salwar, very pretty salwar, and the dupatta of the salwar is this, and the price of this salwar is 880. Actually I have paired up, I have stitched top in the bottom itself. I mixed up and got two tops in the same pattern. You can even do that, and the price of this salwar is 880. Very pretty green color cotton salwar material. It's a mull cotton material with a beautiful beadwork in the center, very pretty one, looks really classy, and the bottom is in green again, soft bottom, and the dupatta is a pretty mull dupatta in contrast shade, and the price of this salwar is 790. A very beautiful soft yellow color mull cotton salwar with a nice embroidery in the center with gotapati work, very classy beautiful patterns these salwars are, and the bottom is in contrast pink, and the dupatta of the salwar is an embroidered dupatta, beautiful embroidered dupatta with edging. So this is how the salwar is, and the price of this salwar is 850. A nice maroon color cotton salwar material in ikat pattern design, very classy one, and the bottom is in contrast beautiful kalamkari pattern, very nice contrast this is, and the bottom of the dupatta of the salwar is in kalamkari design again, and the price of this salwar is 820. Very pretty ikat pattern mull cotton material with a beautiful embroidery in the center, very pretty design, looks really classy, black, and the bottom is in contrast pink, and the dupatta of the salwar is a very pretty mull dupatta. This is how it looks, very classy one, and the price of this salwar is 880. A very beautiful yellow color cotton salwar material with a beautiful beadwork in the center. You could see in the neckline it's a very pretty small work, and the bottom is in yellow, and the dupatta of the salwar is in white shade, beautiful dupatta, mull dupatta, and the price of this salwar is 790. A very pretty pink color cotton salwar material with bandhani design, and in the center button and lace work is there, very classy pattern, and the bottom of the salwar is in pink, and the dupatta of the salwar is a mull dupatta with completely embroidered work, very neat and classy work. This is how it looks, and the price of this salwar is 850. A beautiful ikat pattern salwar material in grey color combination with a nice chunky work in the center and small buttons, beautiful classy design, and the bottom is in contrast of white shade with a lovely ikat dupatta for this salwar, beautiful ikat dupatta, and the price of this salwar is 1050. Very beautiful mull cotton salwar material in nice red. In the neckline we have a beautiful patchwork of embroidery and small mirror works, beadworks, everything is there in this pattern, very nice salwar it is, and the bottom is in red, and the dupatta is in chanderi material. So this is how it looks, very classy pattern, and the price of this salwar is 780. nice off-white shade, cotton salwar material, a beautiful mull cotton with center embroidery with gotapati work in the center, and the bottom is in contrast pink, and a nice chiffon dupatta with embroidery with edging in the corners also in the same color, very classy one. And the price of this salwar is 850. A very pretty light orange color salwar material with a beautiful embroidery in the center pattern, very pretty design, looks really classy. Simple neat ones these salwars are, and the bottom is in contrast, in the same color of orange, light orange, and the dupatta is in contrast shade. This is how the dupatta looks, and the price of this salwar is 790. A very pretty green color cotton salwar material in a more like a stripes pattern design with in the center neckline we have a beautiful embroidery in the center neckline, and the bottom is in contrast brown shade with a nice cotton, soft cotton dupatta. This is how it looks, and the price of this salwar is 840. Beautiful mustard shade cotton salwar material, very beautiful ikat pattern design with centers, you have small balls in the center, and the bottom is in contrast kalamkari print, and the dupatta of the salwar is this beautiful dupatta, cotton dupatta, and the price of this salwar is 820. A very beautiful grey color ikat pattern cotton salwar material with a center neckline design, beautiful embroidered pattern, and the bottom is in contrast pink with a nice dupatta, contrast dupatta. This is how it looks, and the price of this salwar is 880. A light orange color bandhani design cotton salwar material with a beautiful button work and lace work in the center neckline, looks really neat and classy pattern, and the bottom of the salwar is in light orange, and the dupatta of the salwar is a contrast with beautiful embroidered work in the dupatta, so the salwar looks really classy. This is how it looks, and the price of this salwar is 850. A very beautiful dark navy blue color cotton salwar material, mull cotton, is a very soft cotton with center embroidery with gotapati work in the neckline, and the bottom of the salwar is in pink, and the dupatta of the salwar is a very nice dupatta in chiffon with embroidery in the dupatta with edging also, so looks really classy, and the price of this salwar is 850. Very beautiful Jaipur cotton, soft cotton salwar material in a nice more of a vertical lines pattern design. In the center we have a beautiful embroidery, very pretty embroidery in the center, looks really nice and soft, and the bottom is in contrast brown shade, and the dupatta of the salwar is also in contrast shade. This is how it looks, and the price of this salwar is 840. A beautiful blue color ikat pattern mull cotton salwar material with a beautiful center ball pattern designs in the front, very classy one, and the bottom is a nice kalamkari print, and the dupatta is also a very pretty dupatta, pure cotton, more of a kalamkari print style, and the price of this salwar is 820. Beautiful yellow color cotton salwar material with a nice neckline work, beautiful patchwork with small knot works, and the bottom is in yellow, and the dupatta of the salwar is in chanderi material. This is how it looks, and the price of this salwar is 780. A nice grey color bandhani design cotton salwar material with beautiful neck work with button works and lace work in the center neckline, and the bottom is in contrast in the same grey with a very pretty dupatta, mull dupatta, and completely embroidered dupatta. This is embroidery, not print, so the salwar looks really classy and nice. This is how it looks, and the price of this salwar is 850. A nice brown color cotton salwar material with a nice embroidery in the center neckline, very pretty designs, simple elegant salwars these salwars are, and the bottom is in contrast pink with a nice cotton dupatta, a mull dupatta, and the price of this salwar is 880. A very pretty light green color cotton salwar material, all soft cotton materials, beautiful print, and in the center neckline we have nice embroidery, and the bottom of the salwar is in green, And the dupatta of the salwar is a very soft cotton dupatta. This is how it looks. And the price of this salwar is 790. A nice black color cotton salwar material with neck embroidered pattern with gotapati work, and the bottom is in contrast pink with a nice dupatta, chiffon dupatta with embroidery in it, and the corners also edging. And the price of this salwar is 850. A very nice rust color shade cotton salwar material in ikat pattern design again, and the bottom is in contrast of blue color kalamkari design with a very pretty dupatta for this salwar. This is how it looks, and the price of this salwar is 820. Beautiful light orange color mull cotton salwar material with a beautiful bead work, very pretty one, lovely pattern, and the bottom is in contrast peach color, and the dupatta of the salwar is also in pure cotton dupatta. It's really nice, soft and very convenient salwar, and the price of this material is 790. Very pretty bandhani design cotton salwar material, very pretty design with a nice small neckline with lace work and button work, and the bottom is in mustard, and the dupatta of the salwar is a pretty dupatta in cotton, and the work is an embroidered dupatta. This is in the center, you have embroidery in the dupatta, it's not print, so it looks really very different. So this is how it looks, and the price of this salwar is 850. Nice black color cotton salwar material with a beautiful neck design, nice patchwork with small knot works and mirror works, very classy pattern, and the bottom is in black, and the dupatta of the salwar is in chanderi material, and the price of this salwar is 780. A nice light beige shade with a beautiful grey color print in the top, and we have a beautiful neckline design with small chunky works in the neckline, very neat and classy salwar, and the bottom is in contrast grey with a nice chiffon dupatta for this salwar, a beautiful pattern, and the price of this salwar is 750. Nice mull salwar material in navy blue color with a beautiful embroidery in the center neckline, very pretty one, and the bottom is in contrast pink, and the dupatta of the salwar is a pretty cotton dupatta, very pretty dupatta, and the price of this salwar is 880. Nice bluish grey color cotton salwar material with center neckline embroidered pattern with gotapati work in the center, and the bottom is in contrast pink, and the dupatta of the salwar is in pink with nice embroidery in the dupatta with corners edging. This is the top, and the price of this salwar is 850. Very pretty nice light pink shade cotton salwar material with a beautiful embroidery in the center neckline, very classy pattern, and the bottom is in pink, and the dupatta of the salwar is in contrast white shade with beautiful contrast. This is how it looks, and the price of this salwar is 790. Hello all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's video, you're going to see some lovely collection of mull cotton salwar materials. All going to be pure soft Jaipur cotton materials. Very pretty collections, simple, neat, casual wear collections. To purchase